Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use Ngrok. Ngrok is a software from which you can expose your local host to everyone, basically on the internet. So let's just start the video. So let's say you have installed, for example, Jenkins on your local machine, and you are using with your local host as a URL, like localhost, then colon 8080 port, right? So, but the problem here is you can only use this uh, URL on your local machine, not anywhere else, right? So sometimes when we want to create a webhook on a Bitbucket or GitHub server, we want a URL to be needed, to push the events from the webhook. So this local host will not work. In case you are using Jenkins for your CI/CD deployment and you want to integrate the repository, and you want the build to be automatically triggered when something has been updated on your repository PR, or someone has committed any changes, right? So this will not work. So to expose this local host on the internet, or basically anywhere, like from anywhere anyone can access. So we have a software called Ngrok. So on the new tab, just type it Ngrok, and then before downloading the software, first login. So if you see, I'm already logged in with my account. If you already not have the account with Ngrok, just log in with any credentials provider like Google or GitHub or anything, or create a new account. Once you create an account, you will see this page. So I have selected my platform as Windows, so it is giving me the steps to install the Ngrok on the Windows platform. If you have something else, let's say Linux, Mac OS, or any other platform, you can select from here, right, on the agents tab. So basically I'm working on Windows laptop, so I will go to the Windows, I mean choose the Windows platform, and then on the installation tab I have multiple options. So I will go and download this Ngrok as Windows 64-bit software, right? So let's download it. So once the download is complete, just go to the download folder. As you can see, I already have a Ngrok software downloaded, so I'll just delete this. What you have to do is, let's say uh, you have the software here, you have to extract, right? Once you extract it, you will get a Ngrok file. What you can do is you can just remove this extra letters of text, and then copy and go to your C drive and paste it here. So you can see I already have did this configuration before, so I'll just replace this file in my C drive. When you open the Ngrok folder, you will see the Ngrok file, right? Now go to your search bar and open CMD, and then go to the folder where you have configured or I mean copied the Ngrok file. Then again CD, then we have copied on the Ngrok folder, right? So from here you can run your Ngrok commands. So if you see, I have two commands here, right? Ngrok config add auth token, and then this is the authentication token. You will get a different token, right? So just copy it and paste it, and then enter. So your auth token saved to configuration file, right? Now you can run the other command to deploy your localhost online, right? So so my port is 8080, so I will just put it ngrok http 8080, and then enter. So now you see the session status is online, and this is my account, which is the plan is free. And if you see region India, latency, web interface, and then forwarding. So the local host is now forwarding to this URL. So this is a temporary URL given by Ngrok, so that you can work on the basically on anywhere from the internet. So if you control and click on the link, will be redirect to the Jenkins page. So from here you can log in to your Jenkins server. See, so I'm inside the Jenkins server. If I log out, if you see, I can use it from my local host as well, and then from this URL as well, right? So if you want to exit, just type Control C. So in this way, you can expose your local host port